reviewing Hunter Copley's photos. From the first glance, I can tell he understood the purpose of the project. I know right off the bat that he did because he used different colors and different ways of shooting photos that aren't normal to encompass his goal of the project. Right off the bat, I can tell that his storyline had to do with bad things. Like here we see the drugs and gambling, as well as down here there's alcohol bottles. And even through here, it looks as though he put the gambling underneath of the alcohol bottle. Same here with the pills. With the alcohol bottles, I think that his purpose was to show that all of these intertwine with each other. And then down here, I think that his purpose was to show that all students kind of do these bad things in their lifestyle. Um, some of my favorite pictures that he took were this one right here. I like this one because it's upside down and it kind of adds mystery, and it also shows the student with the gambling cards, just showing how they use them. Another one I really liked was this one right here with all of it together, the cigarettes, the pills, the gambling, just showing how one bad thing can lead to another and how they're all intertwined. I also like the angle this was taken from and the filter he used. Some are black and white, which shows dramatic effects. All of these are, but then some of them are in color. I think that it's cool how you can see the color and the vibrancy of this king card up against, the black and white right here. It just shows contrast. The lighting in his pictures also added for dramatic effect. Right here, it's an all black background, and then the gambling coins really stick out at the front. It's also using the thirds of the pictures, which go back to the very first project we did. He incorporated all of that. Here again, this would be interesting use of lighting with the black background. He used this type of lighting in a lot of his photos. I've noticed. See here again with the coins and all of this. Um, there really weren't many photos that I thought he didn't excel on, but the ones that I think were a bit unuseful is these ones right here. These two, they're both pretty blurry, and maybe that's what he was going for, just to show, you know, blurred vision almost, and through the storyline of drinking to an empty bottle and continuing to gamble, and then by the time that the pills come around, you're already out of it. Um, Another one I just don't quite understand. This one with the pen, I understand this one because it's showing a student using all of the bad things. In this case, I would say he was going for a Vice storyline, but not this one as the pen. He also used here leading lines, again from the very first day of class. Um, but overall, I think he did a great job of introducing a topic that is not easily talked about, and he used really cool angles. Upside down here, he used multiple of those. I think that that's a different spin on something that I wouldn't have thought of. And this is cool. Like, you can tell distance here with these pills being blurry up close and these ones being far away. Um, but I think he introduced a real world topic of vice, if that was his intention, which I believe it was. So, yeah.